Sewing your projects together. Once you've finished crocheting all your pieces but don't know how to sew them on, here's how it's done. As you can see, I want to add this circle onto my rectangle. You can use this method on any Amigurumi project. First, thread your tail end onto your needle, like so. Next, go into your piece, go into your piece and come out through the next stitch. Make sure you have positioned where your secondary part, that is the circle, or whatever secondary part you want to sew on, make sure it's positioned properly. Then go into our first stitch of our circle. Go into the same stitch where you just came out and go into the next stitch, like so. And then just repeat this processes all around. Repeat these processes all the way around, making sure that you have sewed in all your crochet pieces together. Okay, I'm approaching the never mind. Just one more stitch to go. Okay, once you're approaching your last stitch, go into your piece but don't come out. Just go into your piece, like that. Cut it short because we are gonna double knot these ends. But how? Let's find out. Yeah. If you have your other tail end, you can just thread that on your needle and then just go into the stitch like this. Now since I have cut that other tail end, I can't do that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut this very short. But make sure if you have two tail ends, thread that second tail end and make sure to insert the needle and go into the piece and come out, and then double knot those two tail ends together. Alright, so you have now learned how to sew your pieces together.